Hello dear subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if you have error on your iPhone and unknown error occurs when you're using your Instagram, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing you just need to go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find if you're using Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi and just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if you're using cellular data, just or mobile data, just turn it off and turn on again. Also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and turn it off. So after, you just need to go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have this error, so you just need to fix it in another way. So just try to go to the general. In the general, just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So this is the way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.